Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. Got the setup a little different now, so it's not shorting the inverter downstairs. So I've got two of these in series now, and this wire is just so I can discharge it. When it gets charged up here, it charges up pretty quick. But we have the AC line going in line with that and connected up to that light down there, and that's a 23 watt light. Alright, so I'm gonna stick this in here. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. You can see the light flash, and it's up to 13 volts in a second. Discharge that. Let's do it again. 14 volts. Seems to turn off once the displacement current stops flowing and the capacitor gets charged. I'm not sure why it only runs for a few seconds. Not even a few seconds, maybe 1 second. Anyways, you can see there's a light down here running. And sometimes it flashes like that too after I've disconnected it. But here are three. Wait, I'll disconnect that. Or discharge that. It might be the inverter that's just shutting it off. No, it seems to be the fact that the capacitor is charged. But the inverter definitely doesn't like it. It's not charged. My batteries aren't charged fully right now, but I'll plug that straight into the inverter, and we'll see if my inverter beeps still. No, it doesn't seem to beep, so this must be less efficient anyways. So, gotta figure out why. Maybe it's because I'm not tapping on the other side of the capacitor like Joel was in his video, but still neat, very neat that I seem to be getting this DC for free here, and then I also got another whole DC tap that I'm not using here. I was running this motor too, a 12 volt motor, off of the DC side, and works fine, of course. Yeah. Anyways, just thought I'd give you guys an update.